welcome to our channel Euclid Mathematics. We have started lecture series on MHT, CET, Mathematics, JEE, Mains and Advanced and other competitive exam like a CET, NET and GATE. If you wanted to see similar video like this, you may check it into my playlist. Already I uploaded plenty of the videos there. So in my today's video, I will explain to you all one of the question. It is from inverse trigonometric chapter. Okay, so we have to apply one or two results from inverse trigonometric chapter, and then we have to figure it out our right answer. Okay, now let's get started our today's example. Here is example number 35. It says that tan inverse of a 2x plus tan inverse of a 3x, which is a pi by 4. Then what is the value for x? Okay, so function it is given in the form of a tan inverse of a 2x plus tan inverse of a 3x, which is having value pi by 4, and then we want the value for x. Okay, and the options are given. First option x which is equal to negative of 1, next option x which is equal to fraction of 1 by 3, again negative of now third option it is x which is equal to fraction of 1 by 6, and fourth option d which is here x which is equal to fraction of 1 by 2, and we have to figure it out which one of the option is correct. Okay, now let's get started our today's solution. I will explain to you all how the solution look like. So in our example we have given inverse trigonometric function as tan inverse of a 2x plus tan inverse of a 3x, which is equal to pi by 4. So as we can see, we can solve this example by other way too, but the simplest way as I can see here, if we have tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B, so we can apply the result tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B, which is equal to tan inverse of A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Okay, so we can apply this result to our example, and then it is easier to get the required answer. See here in my next step, what I have done, I applied this result to our example like a tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x. That means tan inverse of A plus B. That means 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x. Okay. So 2x plus 3x, add it and denominator multiply it because we have same variable. So after solving 2x plus 3x, we will get the 5x, 1 minus x multiplied by x, which is a x square, and 2 multiply 3, so 2 3s are 6. So 1 minus 6 square, 6x square, it is a denominator. Okay, now substitute this value back to our example. So tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x can be written as tan inverse of 5x upon 1 minus 6x square, it is here, and pi by 4 it remains same. Now, in order to get the simplified form, multiply tan to both sides because we do not want that inverse trigonometry. Because whenever tan inverse it is coming, it always gives us a complicated answers. Okay, complicated steps to find out it. So we have to get rid of this tan inverse. So multiply tan here and tan here too. Okay. So if tan of a pi by 4 it comes here, then tan inverse into tan it comes as a tan only. After solving all these steps, we'll get the tan pi by 4 which is equal to 5x upon 1 minus 6x square. So tan pi by 4 it comes 1. Okay. And 5x upon 1 minus 6x square it is here. So take that denominator here. So 1 minus 6x square it is here, which is equal to 5x. So take 5x here, we will get the quadratic equation like a 6x square plus 5x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now further part is it is only to find out the factors of our quadratic equation. So if you found to find it is difficult, okay, to find the factors of quadratic equation it is difficult, you may check it into my playlist. I already uploaded some short trick that easily you can find the factor of any quadratic equation in quite seconds only. You may check it into my playlist. Okay, so apply the apply the factor form of our quadratic equation. So it will give us 6x1 plus 6x minus x minus 1. Okay, so which is a 6x minus 1 and x plus 1 is 0. So when their two multiplication is 0, that means this one 0 or this one 0. One of them need to be 0. Then only then this property hold, this step hold. Okay. How this step hold? When it is 0. If x into y 0, that means we need x 0 or y 0. One of them need to be 0. Okay. So if x is 1 by 6, if I substitute x is 1 by 6, this term will goes to 0. Or if I substitute x is a negative of 1, this whole term goes to 0. So it is up to you. You will get the two factor here. X is 1 by 6 and x is a negative of 1. But x is equal to negative 1 not possible in our factor. Okay, because it is terms coming from inverse trigonometry. Okay, so only the possible chances for x is a 1 by 6. Okay, x is a 1 by 6. So our required option from our question, it is x which is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, So see how easy our solution is. Okay, so in our solution we have to apply one inverse trigonometric result, that is a tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of a B, which can be written as tan inverse of A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Okay, so this one only the result we have to apply. Once we apply that result, go for the calculation, apply the steps here, find out the factor of quadratic equation, and you will land on the value for x is a 1 by 6. It's quite easy example. I hope so you all have understood my today's example. Nothing is difficult on it. So even after, if you found anything difficult, let me know in the comment section. I will come up with the some other videos. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.